She pulled me in close, made the heaviness light. Weeks on my shoulders just slipped away when her eyes found mine. I forgot yesterday. Pink lips, soft smile, perfume in the air. No words between us, just hand in hand. She touched my forehead, slow and kind, and I forgave myself for loving that time. I talked too much, she listened still. Every thought, every fear, every broken will. I asked her, can you stop the time? She laughed and that moment felt like mine. It was raining outside on the window pane. Soft music playing, washing the pain. Not that proof, nowhere to go. Just your breath with mine, moving slow. It was raining outside, and I was home.
She was a traveler, rare and free, the kind you meet once, unexpectedly. For once in my life, I stayed right here. No past, no future, no trace of fear. I held her hand, felt the spark return. Words started flowing, the artist burned. Her laughter filled the room like light, and the rain sang louder into the night.
I said I'd take her where the storms collide. Mountains and mornings, nowhere to hide. She didn't promise, she didn't run. She just stayed with me till the night was done. It was raining outside on the window pane. Soft music playing, washing the pain. Nothing to prove, nowhere to go. Just your breath with mine, moving slow. It was raining outside, and I was home. Where will she be tomorrow? What will she think? Who will she know? I let the questions fall away, 'cause for once it didn't matter anyway. It was raining outside, that's all I knew. Your eyes on mine, my heart in tune. One instant of peace, one moment true. If that's all I get, it's enough to get through. Raining outside.